Okay, the next question. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, what is that? 3 cot A is equal to 4. Check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. What is the condition here? 3 cot A is equal to 4. Then check it. 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. Okay. So, based on that, here one of the angle is given in a triangle. What is the name of the triangle? That is not to be mentioned. We can assume that A is to be there, then automatically we can assume that ABC is the triangle. Okay, but must and should you can observe the right angle triangles only. But this measure is not to be the right angle measure. A is not to be the vertex of the right angle. Okay, then coming to this triangle ABC, we took that A is not to be a right angle, clear? So then A is one of the acute angles, say the A or C. Just here we can take as a A, it is a C. Then B is a right angle. Coming to the concept, given 3 cot A is equal to 4, the 3 is a multiple of cot A. If it is transposed to that side, to B comes to the place of the denominator, then cot A is equal to 4 by 3. And cot A is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, we can assume one triangle here. Okay, let in triangle ABC, which is right degrees, angle B is 90 degrees. So then angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Cot A is equal to 4 by 3. Cot means it is a which side? Cot means the formula for that is adjacent by opposite. What is the adjacent for A? Adjacent is AB. Opposite for A? BC. So AB by BC. Just now I said the previous problem. 4 by 3 is a simplified value. Okay. So which values are to be simplified? We don't know. So the numerator and denominators are to be simplified by a common factor. What is a common factor? We can assume that here also it is to be k. Okay, 4k by 3k. So AB by BC is equal to 4k by 3k. Then AB is equal to 4k, BC is equal to 3k. Okay, then these two values are to be 4k and 3k. We don't know the measure of AC, so we can find that measure. To find the measure, we can use the Pythagoras theorem formula. Same, hypotenuse square equals side square plus side square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. By substituting those values, 4k whole square plus 3k whole square. What is the 4k square value? 16k square. 3k square value? 9k square. 16k square plus 9k square is 25k square. Clear? So it is to be 25k square value. So AC is equal to root of 25k square. Then AC is root 25 square root of k square root cancel k. Then AC is equal to 5k. AC is equal to 5k. But what they ask in the question, whether this value is equal to this or not. So must and should, based on that 3 cot A is equal to 4, we can find the values of tan A, sin A, cos A. Okay, we'll find the values of tan A, cos A, sin A to prove it. Okay, first we write as that what's the triangle ABC? It's a 4k, it's a 3k, it's a 5k based on that values. Okay, so sin A is equal to, what is the sin A formula? Opposite to that angle A by hypotenuse. It is A, opposite 3k by hypotenuse 5k, 3k by 5k. BC by AC 3k by 5k. Okay, then cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent? 4k by 5k. So 4k by 5k. So tan A is equal to opposite by adjacent. What is the opposite? BC by adjacent AB. Then 3k by 4k. So here you can continue this as that 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 3 by 4. No problem at all. But we took as that continuation. Okay, so can't simplify that in that place only. Okay, you can simplify that 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 3 by 4, no problem at all. Okay, then coming to that, what we verify here, LHS value in that mathematical statement is to be 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. What they gave the question, same. Okay, it is equal to this or not, that is the question. So we are taking the LHS value 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A first. 1 minus tan square A. What's the tan square A here? Tan A 3k by 4k means 1 minus 3k by 4k whole square by 1 plus 3k by 4k whole square. By simplifying that, it is to be 1 minus 9k square by 16k square. See, 1 plus 9k square by 16k square. 16k square is the LCM for that. 16k square minus 9k square means it is to be 7k square by 16k square. 16k square plus 9k square by 16k square. It is by simplifying that, we are getting the result is to be 7 by 25. 7 by 25. Which result it is? 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A result is to be 7 by 25. That's the LHS value. But what about the RHS value in the problem? Cos square A minus sin square A. What's the cos square A? So cos A is in that 4k by 5k. Sin A is 3k by 5k. What's the cos A? 4k by 5k whole square minus 3k by 5k whole square. Simplifying that, 16k square by 25k square minus 9k square by 25k square. Okay, LCM is to be denominators are to be same. Then you can subtract the numerators directly. 16k square minus 9k square is 7k square by 25k square. K square cancel. The result is to be 7 by 25. As a cos square minus sin square A is 7 by 25. It's the RHS value. What about the LHS value? 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square is also to be equal to 7 by 25. Both LHS and RHS are to be same. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So what we proved here, what we verified, 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. So based on this procedure, we can verify the given statements. Hence it is verified. This is the way to solve these problems. Okay. So based on the condition, what is to be given in the problem, 3 cot A is equal to 4, tan A is tan theta is equal to 4 by 3, 5 sin theta is equal to 3 by 9, whatever it is. Okay, first of all we can find the one more measure of that right angle triangle. Based on that we can find the remaining trigonometric ratios. Okay, after that we solve the given statement, given question. Okay, that is the way to solve this type of problems in the trigonometry. Okay, so must by heart or must understand the trigonometric ratios formulas. Okay, sine means opposite by hypotenuse, cos means adjacent by hypotenuse, like that. Okay.